Hello and welcome to the video walk around. My name is Christian. Today we're going to be looking at a 2020 Toyota Corolla LE CVT upgrade package. This is a 5-passenger 4-door sedan in classic silver, and under the hood you'll find a 1.8-liter 4-cylinder driving on 16-inch wheels. Some of your great exterior features include your sporty front end, a backup camera, and a proximity smart key system which allows for easy access. But now why don't we hop inside this Corolla and see what else it has to offer. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It's got our lock and unlock button as well as our trunk release button, which we'll get to in just a moment. This Corolla does have a proximity smart key system, so if you got your key fob in your pocket, you can put your hand right in here and the vehicle will unlock. Taking a look inside the door first, on the bottom you have some storage space. Above it you have your power windows, locks, and mirrors. Next to the door you will find your heated steering wheel button, which is convenient for those cold winter seasons. Equipped with black cloth seating, and on the bottom you will find your manual seating adjustment handles. But now why don't we hop inside. It is a push to start, so just press that brake in and press that engine start button right behind the wheel there. First things first is we're going to take a look on the left side of the steering wheel. This cluster right here will allow us to navigate through our multi-information display. Below that you have your volume options, hands-free calling, and your voice recognition system. On the right you'll find your Toyota safety sense buttons with dynamic radar cruise control and lane departure alert. And right in this circle you will find your cruise control speed settings. Now if we move on to our screen here, right now we're on home. On the right you have all your trip information, and on the left you have any audio that might be playing, and on the bottom you have any device that might be connected. If we press menu, here you have all your different vehicle settings. If we press audio, that'll take you to your sources right here. You can see you have your standard AM and FM options. You also have a choice between USB auxiliary and Bluetooth device. This Corolla does have a backup camera as well with those guidelines. Down below is your climate control system. Nice and simple, you got these smooth turning dials. Beneath that you have your key wireless charger. If we press this button right here, that green light will come on. And you can put your phone right there and that'll charge right up without any cables. Next to that you have your driver and passenger heated seats. And behind the shifter you will find your electronic parking brake. And before we open up the cargo, let's just take a quick look in the back. On the bottom you will find some storage space just like the driver's side door. Continuing with the black cloth seating. If we take a look inside here, we can pull this down and you do have access to two cup holders and a nice little armrest. To open up, all we got to do is hold this third button on our key fob and that trunk will open for us. Nice and easy. Taking a look in the back. There's plenty of cargo space in this sedan, of course. The rear seats do fold down. That'll give you some extra cargo space. If we look underneath here, you will find your tools to change your spare tire, which is located right underneath, in case that ever goes out on you. Close up, just give it a gentle push. Taking a last look at our 2020 Toyota Corolla. Once again, some of those great interior features include your Bluetooth compatibility, heated seats, and hands-free calling. There's still a whole lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here, Toyota Northwest Edmonton, on the corner of 137th Avenue and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this walk around video. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.